Okay, so Ilana is giving us some more feedback. We had a conference, was very in cybersecurity research jobs and my background in data science. So I was thinking if data scientists can work with cybersecurity teams at a high level. They can. They can. It just depends about uh, what part of cybersecurity, right? Because cybersecurity is a massive field, right? I mean, so what part are you talking about there? Most of the time that I've seen it used has been in threat detection, right? Where you can help kind of narrow down your potential threats or the impact of those threats, right? So that's kind of where I've seen it used the most. But it can vary. It can vary based on the company you're working for, the industry you're working in. But yeah, I mean, now I also want to caveat that by saying that both of the professions, both of the fields require a lot of dedicated study, right? I mean, cybersecurity is a very serious field now, right?